Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the future with the 2025 Tesla Motorhome Camper, a fully electric, self-driving, smart home on wheels that redefines what it means to explore in style. This isn't just a camper, it's a high-tech experience wrapped in sleek minimalism and powered by the same innovation that's made Tesla a household name. Right away, the exterior tells you this is no ordinary RV. It's sculpted with smooth aerodynamic lines, ultra-durable exoskeleton panels, and a panoramic windshield that stretches over the roof for uninterrupted sky views. The front is clean and bold, featuring Tesla's signature LED light bar and an illuminated Tesla logo that doubles as a charging indicator. It rides on massive 24-inch aero wheels with adaptive suspension that lowers at highway speeds and raises for rugged terrain. Hidden solar tiles span across the roof and even unfold when parked to boost power, making this the ultimate off-grid explorer. Step inside, and you're met with Tesla's futuristic design language in its purest form. The cabin is minimal, but luxurious, with white vegan leather upholstery, sustainable wood trims, and soft LED lighting that follows your movements. The main lounge area features a wraparound smart sofa that converts into a bed, voice-activated climate zones, and a holographic touchscreen embedded into the wall for controls, entertainment, and navigation. The kitchen is fully electric and folds away seamlessly behind magnetic glass panels, revealing an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and hidden storage modules. The rear suite is equally impressive, with a floating queen bed, a wall-sized smart mirror that doubles as a screen, and an electrochromic ceiling that shifts from clear to starry night at your command. The bathroom offers a dry steam shower, heated flooring, and an AI-controlled water system that recycles and filters usage in real time to maximize efficiency. Underneath, this beast is powered by Tesla's tri-motor Plaid system, delivering over 1,100 horsepower with instant torque and unmatched acceleration. Yes, even for it can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. And thanks to its 250 kilowatt-hours battery pack, you get an estimated range of up to 800 kilometers per charge. With Tesla's ultra-fast charging tech, you're back on the road in under 40 minutes. Starting at $450,000, the 2025 Tesla Motorhome Camper is positioned as the future of travel for tech lovers, digital nomads, and luxury adventurers. It supports full self-driving with Tesla's latest AI navigation, facial recognition entry, automated leveling. Campsite detection safety features include 360-degree vision, thermal imaging, automatic emergency handling, and a reinforced smart frame that learns from impact simulations to constantly improve protection. The 2025 Tesla Motorhome Camper isn't just electric, it's alive. It learns, adapts, protects, and entertains. Would you take this self-driving smart home on your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready to see the future of travel, like, subscribe, and hit the bell right here on